Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a React.js classic arcade snake game with apples and scores. So the application looks something like this. We are running it on localhost 5173. So it's a classic arcade snake game that you have played on mobile phones as well. So you can control it using your arrow keys. The actual snake here you will see. So the prime objective of this game is to collect those apples that you see right here. So when it collects those apples, the snake length grows alongside with the score as well. Leaderboard, everything is shown. So these are the apples here. So I built this application game inside React.js. So if you need the source code, you can directly purchase the source code. I have given the link. After purchasing it, you will get the source code from Google Drive automatically. So each and every component is coded directly inside TypeScript. So once it hits the wall, it actually game over and you can click restart again. This is actually the full directory structure. You will see each and every component is coded directly inside TypeScript. So you can easily purchase it and add additional features as well. So it's a ready-made project specifically in React.js. We are using the latest version of React, which is React 19. We are also using Tailwind CSS as well for constructing the user interface as well. So we are running this development script here, which is running this project locally. So npm run dev. You can easily deploy this as well by running this command npm run build. So this will build out this complete project and you can easily deploy this as well. So it's a simple static app. So you basically control the snake. It collects those apples. Once it grows, the score also increases. So very simple logic. I built this entirely in React.js. Each and every component I written this from scratch. So either you can press the arrow keys or you can press the WA keys to actually control. The score is also there. It's a single static application which directly runs in the browser. If you still face any issues after purchasing the source code in running or deploying, you can contact me. I will definitely help you. But it's a ready-made React project. You will be able to run this very easily. After you get the source code, you will also be able to see how I coded this. It's a very simple code. Each and every component is rendered directly inside TypeScript. So for building this, these are dependencies. We have used the actual framework of React and we have used this library React Game Engine, which is specifically the library that we have used for constructing this. So if you search for this React Game Engine, we have used this, which is actually specifically a React-based library for building out very simple games. So it's actually kind of a game engine that we have used here inside this to actually construct this snake game that you see. So it will save you a lot of time if you're looking forward for building out a snake kind of a game. It will also show you how I coded this. So the link is given in the description. The score is shown right here. Once it collects those apples, the score increases. Very simple logic. So you can easily deploy this as well by building out this complete app. So each file is coded directly inside TypeScript. So every file, as you can see, has. So this is a main file where we written all the logic, collision detection as well. So once the snake collides with the wall, the game should end. So that collision detection is there inside React.js. So once it collided, it actually tells you that game is over. So collision detection is automatically done. So inside these files. So Definitely check this out. The link is given in the description.